Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Osgood Talks. We are back with yet another interview experience, and today we have with us Soumya Gupta, who has recently got his PPO from Dell Technologies, and she has been selected as analyst in the cybersecurity team by Dell Technologies. Today, we are going to ask her about her experience of internship, her preparation strategies, and her overall experience at Dell. So please welcome Soumya Gupta. Hi Soumya, welcome to our channel. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here. I'm really grateful.
So, can you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah. So my name is Soumya Gupta. I am currently pursuing Bachelor's of Engineering in Bangalore Institute of Technology in Computer Science stream, and I am also a computer science expert at Check.com, and I am also the president of SCI Club in our college. And yeah, I got selected as product security intern in Dell Technologies.
Okay, so you have quite many achievements under your belt. So, because this interview is based on your experience at Dell, so can you please share about your interview experience at Dell? How many rounds were there? What questions were asked? And the coding questions, the behavioral questions, anything you want to share?
Yeah, so overall experience, like the interview experience, I would say it was really engaging and like quite insightful. And talking about like in depth of the rounds that we had, so there were 4 rounds. The first round was basically I could say the resume selection round. Like many people applied and they selected like 20 students based on their resume, based on their GPA and 10 aggregate percentage. This was how we got selected in the top 20. And yeah, and next 3 rounds, the 3 rounds that we had, first 2 were the technical rounds and the last was an HR round. Yeah, so the first technical round I feel was majorly focused on my projects. Yeah, so they started with with my introduction, and they asked like how much was I interested in that particular field, because it was a new domain for me, cybersecurity domain for all of us. Yeah, so they were more focused on how much we'll be adaptive towards that domain. Like we all are practicing for software engineering role and all. Yeah, so that was what they were majorly focused on. Then they went in depth in my projects, what projects I did. And finally, they asked me some OOPS questions. So that was how first round got over. Yeah, and they selected 8 out of 20 in first round, and I was one of them. Then in the second round was again a technical round, and this was majorly focused on our DS algos. Yeah, so they asked, I remember as far as I could remember, like they asked me one question was related to linked list cycle question, if you would have heard in the code. Yeah. And other was a very simple one, the zeros and ones that we have, like you have to put all the zeros. Yeah, so standard questions. So those were quite simple. Then they asked me about computer networks problems, because it is quite related to that cyber security. Yeah, although we had that subject in that sem only, but even they were well aware, like we wouldn't be knowing in depth of that. But yeah, so they asked basic questions related to that as well. Then the normal OS questions, they asked the process scheduling, the disk set, those problems they asked. And yeah, this was how the technical round got over, and they selected 4 out of 8.
Okay.
Yeah, and the last was the HR round. So that was majorly focused on our behavioral questions. Yeah.
Do you remember any of the questions from this channel?
Yeah, the HR round, like he asked, he wanted to know how much I knew about their company, how much I researched about their company. Yeah, so it's very important to, research about that. You just go to their LinkedIn page, see what they are doing, websites and all. So yeah, I feel that, they mostly saw how much I'm interested in joining their company. Yeah.
Makes sense. So, like, were there any questions that were unexpected to you, or like you were not expecting to be in the interview, and like you kind of got shocked when they asked any questions?
Yeah. As soon as you asked me, one question hit. Like they asked me a question. In second round, they asked me a question like, what was the interviewer's name in the recent last round?
Oh my god.
So I'm very bad with remembering names. Okay, I didn't focus on his name only, and and there was like a person who was managing the WhatsApp groups, like WhatsApp group, as in who was of the selected participants, yeah, for the smooth functioning. So I just spoke his name with confidence. So I knew it wasn't him, obviously, but I just told with confidence whatever name hit my head. And I knew, see, he wasn't, expecting the correct answer. He just wanted to see my confidence, like,
These routes are not for like testing your knowledge, but to
yeah,
check your presence and mind and how
Yeah.
well you can function under pressure and all that.
yeah.
So, okay, so that was your interview experience. And how did you prepare for it? What was your preparation strategy? When did you start? Or, yeah, basically.
Yeah, so it's like I personally don't prepare for a particular company until and unless we like get to know, okay, this company is coming. Then otherwise it's like we keep on practicing DSA. I would like really tell to focus on the basics, because people tend to just jump to the competitive programming and stuff instead of focusing on the basics. Yeah, and when there's a particular company coming, just go to GFC, type that, and you will get
Your experience.
yeah. And they definitely write there like whatever technical questions were asked, what all, so you can get a better idea. So that's what I did when I got to know that it's there. Yeah, I went there and I researched what all questions were asked, and I started seeing stuff. I saw my projects again. Just to clarify my mind, if they ask something, I should be able to answer that.
So the interview experiences help you? Were there any repeated, any of the questions that got repeated or something like that?
Like in the round,
In the actual interview,
like in the first round, it got repeated in the second as well. Yeah.
No. From the interview experience, the questions which are there on net, or
Okay.
did anything help?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, it's like, certain company focuses on these topics only. So what I felt was, yeah, that's where like I felt that they focus more on these linked lists and string concepts. They don't go to such high levels of like trees, graphs, and DP. I felt that. No, they don't.
Only the basics.
Only the basics.
Okay, nice. And like, when did you start your preparation? Like from the first day itself, or after?
Okay. Honestly speaking, no, not first year, because I wanted to explore other fields. What all clubs are going. Like I participated in all the clubs, be it dance club, be it any other club. I was exploring things. Then second year it hit, yeah, like I should start coding as well. So that's when I started practicing.
Nice. So you're not like a nerd. You're involved in extracurricular also.
Definitely, I am too much inclined towards that as well.
Okay. So you were selected for the role of cybersecurity intern and dev. So can you tell us about your interview experience? What projects you worked on? About your team a bit, like this.
Yeah. So I didn't have projects related to cybersecurity. Like particularly, I had projects related to, since it was second year. So yeah, when our interview was there, it was our fourth sem. Yeah. So the projects that I had were related to, one project was mainly focused on the APIs. So that's where they asked me deeply about that. And one was the project that a project which our college asked us to prepare. So I had that project as well. Yeah.
Please tell something about your internship experience at Dell.
Okay. So it was a wonderful experience, I would say, because ours was the first batch who, our college gave us the opportunity to work as an intern in our third year only. Yeah. So that was definitely wonderful. And they basically asked, talking about the project that they made us do, it was a live project. So basically, what they do over there they have a Jira systems. Okay. Yeah. So what they do, the user, if he's facing any issue or related to any systems, any system registry that they call there, so they need to go to their Jira systems. They need to have that access, and then they'll be able to put their issue over there. Okay. For resolving it like that. Okay, so what they expected from us was that to make this process automated, to increase its security, to increase its reliability, so that the user don't have to go to Jira systems directly and access it.
Okay.
Yeah, so they expected us to automate that process. So we made a project on that. So our first page included a dynamic table where we made APIs, which were in turn connecting the APIs of Jira.
Okay.
Yeah, so it had the dynamic table to showcase all the data that they had in the database, and you had to tell about the technologies that I used. I used Angular, Nest.js, and in databases I used MySQL and PostgreSQL. Yeah, so these things were there, and then we made a form in which the user could register his issue that he had. So basically, it was the overall project in which the user can use the form instead of directly accessing, interacting with Jira systems. Yeah. So it was basically that, and we were quite successful in delivering that.
Yeah, it seems. So, like you said, you were not that well trained in cybersecurity and related fields. So, when you suddenly had to work on these technologies, like how did you manage to figure out how did you manage to figure out the technologies? How did you work basically?
Okay, as I told, I work on these basically the main stack. So this is the development part. Even I thought that it would be something related to too much cybersecurity, but it was. I felt it. I asked them as well, like, you're making me do development in cybersecurity. So yeah, it was like I was in the team where it was development part that I had to do. Yeah, and it was indirectly related to the security, as I told.
Nice. And how is the work culture at Dell as intern?
Yeah, so work culture, I would say it's too much flexible.
Flexible.
Okay, yeah. See, for us, we weren't asked to come there in the initial 2 weeks, but later on they asked us to come like for one day, once in a week.
Once in a week, yeah.
So I felt that was like enough. That was quite flexible, for us to work from home. Yeah, so that was really nice. And talking about the people, it was unexpected. Like, I didn't know people could be so nice. It was my first company, definitely, and people were really nice over there.
So overall, it was a nice experience.
Definitely, yeah.
And okay, so that's pretty much about it. So would you like to give some tips to someone who's prepared for Dell or like any other companies in general who is in first year, second year? Any specific tips you want to give?
Okay, I would like to tell, like, focus on your basics and like keep practicing this. Just don't leave it, or don't leave it for the last thing, to do it. And for interview, I would like to tell, just be confident while you're speaking. Sometimes people know stuff, but they are not able to deliver that properly. Yeah, so you need to be confident in that. And I would say, remember your interviewer's name. Yeah, I would like to add one more thing. Like they usually ask a question at the last of each interview. That would you like to ask any question from me, right? So just don't leave it like that. Like, no, I don't want to ask any question or stuff like that. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. That ask. I can't remember the particular question that I asked, but I asked like. What is your favorite part of the organization? Or you could, ask like, where do you see the organization in the next 5 years? So that shows how much you are focused in there, working. Yeah.
These small things actually make impact.
Definitely, yeah.
Interviews. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it. So thank you, Soumya, for coming and interacting with us. And it was a wonderful experience talking to you. Thank you very much for being on our channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.